bastante. Milagrosamente mi carro está totalmente limpio y el otro lado de mi carro solamente la cara está sucia, lo demás está honestamente que voy a trabajar. Aquí en New Jersey, toda la zona está así. Mira hasta donde llegan mis pies. No storm, Jersey. To be more specific, Jersey area is getting affected. New York, Island, and I guess pretty much northern part of the state. We were supposed to get 16 inches. We're definitely on our way there. I got cars still driving around. And this is my street, mi calle. Pueden ver, está bien copado. Estoy ya. Fuerza, the wind is super strong right now. Están llenando y pueden ver claro que tan alta la nieve ha llegado. Esa es mi casa. It's my home. Right there, the one with the light on the door. You can see on the roof it's getting accumulated. I just cleaned this. Apparently it wasn't good enough. Try to clean again.